Good morning all. Last day we have studied about the solution of second order non-homogeneous differential equation. We did it in the method of undetermined coefficients. So in the first step we computed the complementary function. In the second step we have computed the particular integral, particular solution, and now after that the general solution is yct plus ypt. So in today we have one more method to compute the particular solution. So it's called the variation of parameter method. ഇത് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. 7 മാർക്ക് സെക്ഷനിൽ 1-2 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് ഉണ്ടാവാറുണ്ട്. So the method, before the method explaining, there is a theorem. If f functions p, q and g are continuous on an open interval I, and if the function y1 and y2 are linearly independent, solution of the homogeneous equation y double dash plus p of t y dash plus q of t y is equal to 0, corresponding to the non-homogeneous equation y double dash plus p of t y dash plus q of t y is equal to g of t, then a particular solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation is ypt is equal to minus y1t into integral of y2t g of t by Wronskian, w of y1 y2t plus y2t into integral y1t g of t w of divided by w of y1 y2t dt, and the general solution of the non-homogeneous equation is y is equal to c1 y1t plus c2 y2t plus ypt. So we have a method to solve differential equation using variation of parameter method. In the first step you have to find the complementary solution yct equal to c1 y1t plus c2 y2t, and in step 2 using this y1 and y2 you have to find the Wronskian w of y1 y2t, and you have to find yp is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, where u1 is equal to minus integral y2 gt g of t by Wronskian into dt plus u2 is equal to integral y1 g of t by Wronskian dt. So after this finding u1 and u2 you can find yp. Now this yc plus yp is the solution. Now we have 2-3 problems relating to variation of parameters. So first problem is y double dash plus y is equal to cosec t. So you have to first write the homogeneous equation corresponding to the given differential equation. The homogeneous equation corresponding to given differential equation is y double dash plus y is equal to 0. That is characteristic equation is auxiliary equation, and characteristic equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0, m square is equal to minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus I, complex roots. So the complementary function is, we have roots are complex, so complementary function here in the form, here it is in the roots are in the form alpha plus or minus I beta, where I alpha is equal to 0, so this is e raised to minus 0t, so it will not be there, so a cos t plus b sin t. So this we got the complementary function. Now we got the g of t as cosec t. So we have to use the variation of parameter method. So here y1 is equal to cos t and y2 is equal to sin t. So y1 dash is equal to, we have to find the Wronskian first. Cos t the derivative is minus sin t, and y2 dash is equal to cos t. So Wronskian w is equal to determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash, which is equal to y1 cos t sin t minus sin t cos t, which is equal to cos square t plus sin square t, which is equal to 1. So we got the Wronskian. So we have to find, so ypt is equal to, our formula is u1 y1 plus u2 y2, where u1 is equal to minus y1 വരുന്ന കേസിൽ y2 minus y2 g of x by w dt, which is equal to y2 is sin t minus sin t cosec t cst by 1 dt. But we know that sin t is cosec t is equal to minus sin t into cosec t is 1 by sin t dt. So sin cancel, so integral of minus 1 dt, which is equal to minus t plus നമ്മൾ പ്ലസ് സി ഞാനിപ്പോൾ എഴുതുന്നുണ്ട്, മറ്റേ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ സി എഴുതില്ല. നൗ u2 is equal to, ഇപ്പോൾ u2 വരുമ്പോൾ y1 ആണ് വരിക, y1 g of t by w, which is dt, which is equal to y1 is cos t cosec t by 1 dt. Now which is equal to integral of cos t into 1 by sin t by 1 ഞാൻ എഴുതുന്നില്ല, which is equal to integral of cot t, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ sin t യുടെ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിൽ വരുന്നു, which is equal to log sin t dt plus c log sin t, integral of cot t dt, cot t dt is log sin t plus c. So ypt is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, u1 is minus t, y1 is cos t plus u2 is log sin t. ഇപ്പോൾ log ആയതുകൊണ്ട് can write ln, sin t ln sin t. So therefore general solution is y is equal to yct plus ypt, which is equal to a cos t plus b sin t minus t cos t plus sin t ln sin t. Second problem is y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equal to e raised to t by t cube, solved by the method of variation of parameter. So first we have to write the homogeneous equation corresponding to the given differential equation. For that, put right side equal to 0. So y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to 0. Corresponding auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. That is m minus 1 all square is equal to 0. that is m is equal to 1. So it's a repeated real root. Therefore complementary function is yct is equal to c1 plus c2t into e raised to mt, which is equal to e raised to t. c1 plus c2t e raised to t. Now we have the right side of the equation, g of t is equal to e raised to t by t cube. We can write y1 is equal to e raised to t and y2 is equal to t raised to t from the complementary function. So for apply variation of parameter, we have to find the Wronskian w of y1 y2 of t, which is equal to determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash, which is equal to e raised to t e raised to t. Derivative of e raised to t is e raised to t. Derivative of t raised to t is t e raised to t plus e raised to t. Product rule varum. So first into derivative of second e raised to t plus e raised to t. Second into derivative of 1 e raised to t. So t e raised to t plus e raised to t. Determinant എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ e raised to t into t raised to t plus e raised to t minus e raised to t into t raised to t. അതിൽ e raised to t into t raised to t രണ്ട് ടൈമിൽ നിന്നും ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് e raised to t into e raised to t, which is e raised to 2t. So yp is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2. So y1 is equal to minus integral of y2 g of t by w of y1 y2 t dt, which is equal to minus y2 വന്നപ്പോൾ t raised to t e raised to t by t cube dt by e raised to 2t. അതിൽ e raised to t into e raised to t is e raised to 2t. അപ്പോൾ അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. ഇവിടെ ഒരു t ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് minus 1 by t square dt, which is equal to minus t raised to minus 2 dt, which is equal to minus t raised to minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. ഒരു മൈനസ് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് 1 by t plus c. So u2 is equal to integral y1 g of t by w of y1 y2 dt, which is equal to integral e raised to t by t cube by e raised to 2t. This is dt. So which is equal to e raised to t into e raised to t is e raised to 2t. That cancels. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് 1 by t cube dt, which is equal to t raised to minus 3 dt, which is equal to t raised to minus 2 by minus 2 plus c, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 t square plus c. Yp of t is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, which is equal to u1 is 1 by t e raised to t minus 1 by 2 u2 is 1 by 2 t square t. ഇതിലൊരു t ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് 1 by t e raised to t minus 1 by 2 t e raised to t, 1 by 2 t e raised to t. അപ്പോൾ e raised to t by t കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എടുത്തു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ 1 minus half, which is equal to half. So half e raised to t by t. So general solution is y of t is equal to yc of t plus yp of t, which is equal to c1 plus c2t into e raised to t plus half e raised to t by t. Next problem is solve y double dash plus y is equal to tan t by the method of variation of parameter. So we have to write the homogeneous equation corresponding to given differential equation, that is y double dash plus y equal to 0. Corresponding auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0, that is m square is equal to minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus I. So complementary function is yc of t is equal to a cos t plus b sin t. So g of t is equal to our g of t, right side of the given differential equation tan t. So from yct we can write y1t and y2t. y1t is cos t, y2t is sin t. So y1 dash t equal to the derivative, cos in the derivative is minus sin t, y2 dash equal to sin the derivative cos t. So Wronskian is equal to determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash, which is equal to cos t sin t minus sin t cos t, which is equal to cos square t plus sin square t, which is equal to 1. So yp is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, where u1 is equal to minus y2 g of t by w dt, which is equal to minus y2 is equal to sin t g of t tan t by 1 dt, which is equal to minus sin t into tan t is sin t by cos t, which is equal to sin square t by cos t, which is equal to sin square ne namukku 1 minus cos square t nu edham. So 1 minus cos square t by cos t, which is equal to term by term divide cheyani 1 by cos t minus cos t. 1 by cos t is sec t. So integral of sec t is ln minus n veliyil eduthittunde. Integral of sec t is ln sec t plus tan t. Integral of cos t is sin t plus c. Now u2 is equal to y1 g of t by w. y1 is cos t, g of t is tan t by 1 dt. Tan t is equal to sin t by cos t. So cos t into sin t by cos t. Idile cos t ennulla time we can cancel that term. So ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് integral of sin t, which is equal to minus cos t plus c. So yp is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, which is equal to u1 is equal to cos t into minus ln sec t plus tan t plus sin t. ഇത്ര ഉണ്ട് y2 ടൈം, രണ്ട് ടൈമാണ് ചേർന്നാണ്. പ്ലസ് u2 is sin t, y2 is sin t, u2 is minus cos t. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ ഇവിടെ ഒരു പ്ലസ് sin t cos t ടൈമും മൈനസ് sin t cos t ടൈമും ഉണ്ട്. അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്തിട്ട് only the first term is there, minus cos t into ln sec t plus tan t. So the general solution is y of t is equal to yc t plus yp of t, which is equal to a cos t plus b sin t minus cos t into ln sec t plus tan t. Next problem is solved by the method of variation of parameter method. Y double dash plus 9y is equal to 9 sec square 3t. So first we have to write the homogeneous equation corresponding to given differential equation is equal to y double dash plus 9y equal to 0. Corresponding auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 9. M is equal to roots are plus or minus 3i. So roots are complex. So alpha is equal to 0. Therefore complementary function is yct is equal to a cos 3t plus b sin 3t. Now the g of t, right side of the given differential equation is 9 sec square 3t and y1t is equal to ഇതിൻ്റെ yct ലെ terms cos 3t and sin 3t. y1t cos 3t, y2t sin 3t. Now we have to find the Wronskian. For that y1 dash t is equal to minus 3 sin 3t, y2 dash t is equal to 3 cos 3t. So Wronskian is equal to determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash is equal to cos 3t sin 3t minus 3 sin 3t 3 cos 3t, which is equal to 3 cos square 3t plus 3 sin square 3t. We can take out the 3 into cos square 3t plus sin square 3t, which is equal to 3. So yp of t is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, which is that is u1 is equal to minus integral y2 g of t by w dt, which is equal to minus sin 3t into y2 is sin 3t, g of t is 9 sec square 3t, w is 3, 9 ഉം 3 കൂടെ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 3 minus 3 ഔട്ട്സൈഡിലേക്ക് എടുത്തു, sin 3t into sec square 3t we can write as cos square 3t, which is equal to ഇതിനെ ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് 1 by cos 3t is sec 3t, then 1 by cos 3t into sin 3t by cos 3t എന്ന് എഴുതി. So sec 3t tan 3t dt. Sec 3t tan 3t dt is integral of is sec 3t sec 3t. അപ്പോൾ മൈനസ് 3യും sec 3t by 3 വരും. 3t ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 3 and 3 cancel. So minus sec 3t plus c. Now u2 is integral of y1 g of t by w dt, which is equal to integral cos 3t into g of t is 9 sec square 3t by 3 dt. Cos 3t ഒരു sec square 3 is 1 3t is 1 by cos square 3t. അതിൽ ഒരു cos 3t കൂടെ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ 1 by cos 3t വരും, which is equal to sec 3t dt, which is equal to ln sec 3t plus tan 3t plus c. yp is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, which is equal to cos 3t into minus sec 3t. y1 is minus y1 is cos 3t, u1 is minus sec 3t, u2 is y2 is sin 3t, u2 is ln sec 3t tan 3t. So നമ്മൾ സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ cos into sec, which is minus 1, plus sin 3t into ln sec 3t plus tan 3t. So general solution is y is equal to yct plus ypt, which is equal to yct is a cos 3t plus b sin 3t minus 1 plus sin 3t into ypt is these two times minus 1 plus sin 3t into ln sec 3t plus tan 3t.